In this video, we are going to learn some basic concepts of Chinese. The 6 basic finals and the Chinese 4 tones. Chinese course for beginners. Chapter 1. Part A. 你好.
As we can see, Chinese language has 2 parts, the phonetic system, which is called pinyin, and the characters, which is called hanzi. The pinyin could be divided into 3 parts. The n and h are the initials. We call them 声母. The i and ao are the finals. We call them 韵母. And the marks on the top shows the tone of the sound, which we call 声调.
Part B. Finals.
Today, we are gonna learn the first part of the finals.
A, O, I, U, Ü, A.
The tip of pronouncing a is try to open your mouth big and round. Keep your tongue lower.
A, O.
Keep your oral cavity and lip shape round to pronounce the sound o. When you pronounce you open your mouth smaller than when you say ah. It sounds like someone is punching you and you feel hurt. You're Or imagine someone is thinking something. You would say and just cut the part off. It sounds similar as I,
U.
Make your lips curled up. Make a sound like a train whistle.
U. Ü.
This final might be the hardest one out of the 6. The tips to pronounce the ü is try to pronounce e first, and then slowly raise your lips and keep your tongue in the original place. Now, try to gradually transition from e to ü. Pay attention, don't change the position of your tongue. There's another way to pronounce ü. Step 1. Keep the position of your tongue as when you say e and don't move. Step 2. Keep your lips like when you are saying wu. And now get ready for both of the 2 parts. Let's say ü. Since the ü does not exist in most of the other languages, it is okay if you cannot pronounce it perfectly for now. Just practice more and you will do it better.
Part C. Tones.
There are 4 tones in Chinese pinyin, which are first tone, 一声 second tone, 二声, third tone, 三声, and fourth tone, 四声. Let's try the 4 tones with the final ah. Ah, 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 ah. When you pronounce the first tone, you should try to keep it high and flat. Now open your mouth and try to say it loudly. Ah. To do the second tone, the sound rising up very fast. It sounds like when you are asking something. Ah? But the second tone is not always used in the interrogative mood. The tips to pronounce the third tone. First, you should make the sound fall down to a lower place, and then you rise up. Ah. When you pronounce the fourth tone, you should start your sound at a higher place, and then you directly fall down. It sounds like when you are saying no or ouch. Ah. In Chinese, the 4 tones are very important because the tones have the function of distinguished meaning. Let's make the for example. The with second tone, has the meaning of goose, while the with fourth tone, could mean hungry. So it's totally different when you are saying and
Part D. Practice.
Now, let's practice to pronounce the 6 finals with the 4 tones.
First tone. A, O, I, U, Ü. Second tone. A, O, I, U, Ü. Third tone. A, O, I, U, Ü. Fourth tone. A, O, I, U, Ü.
Please check out the link in the pinned comment for more practice. Or download the study materials from our website. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future posts or updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.